Hello everyone. Today, we're going to draw Symbiote Spider-Man from Marvel Comics. It may look complicated, but trust me, you can do it too. First, change the background color to gray. Then, create new layer for the blocking pose process. After you're done, create another new layer for the rough sketch. Turn down the blocking pose layer to 40%, then start to sketch the anatomy of Spider-Man. You must pay attention to the proportion and the details in this phase. Now the sketch is done. Make the final check about the proportion before we start to create the outline. First, turn down the opacity of sketch layer to 40%. Then, create new layer for the outline. You can start from anywhere you like. Pay attention to the details in this phase. You can learn about human anatomy to make your drawing perfect. Don't forget to create the spider web in different layer. Now the outline is perfect. Let's continue to color it. First, set the outline layer as reference. See the image above as example. Reference feature is needed, so you just can drop the color another layer based on what shapes that outline layer has. Then, create one layer for one color only. See the image above as example. This will make you faster to change the color later if you find it not good. Start dropping the mid-tone color now. Now, add one layer above the mid-tone layer and set it as clipping mask. See the image above as example. Then, pick the darker color to make the shadow tone. Repeat this step for even the darker color or the highlight tone. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching and learning. You can ask me anything in the comments section, I will try to help you as long as I can. See you in the next video.